Hey guys, what? Shit. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? You asked for a second makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna show you another simple everyday look. This is not part of it, it's just a bonus. I'll show you the end product with this as well later. It's very optional. Okay. My colleague over here is telling me this is primer, so you're gonna want some of this. So I assume, wait, what is this then? Is this like foundation? Is this
foundation?
What's the difference? Do I put them both on?
Yes.
Bang. Okay, we're gonna start. So what you do is you do this. You just.
Oh no. Oh no.
You use this to cover up all the blemishes. Just my whole face. You might want to go get some paper towel for me.
I will in a minute.
So once you have a good amount.
You didn't dampen the beauty blender.
Dampen? You're supposed to dampen these things? Wait, really? Shit. Like I said, dampening this beauty blender thing, optional. So you're just gonna like wipe it all around your face. You don't want to wipe it in too much because there we go. All right. After you blend it a little bit, like, oh, yep, you were right. Okay. After you get it a little bit, but not too much into your skin, you don't want it to like seep in just yet. That is a weird word I should not have used. Then you're gonna utilize this spoon here. That's what you're gonna do. So you're gonna open the foundation, is what it's called, and you're gonna go like this.
No, that is too much.
Never too much foundation. You need a good foundation.
Then you don't want to put a liquid in a powder because then it'll mess it up.
So we're gonna use this.
No.
Oh my god, she's gonna teach me. As if I don't already know.
In your eyebrows. And on the carpet.
So you're gonna want to put. Oh god, on my jeans. You're gonna want to apply a lot of this foundation. It's about to drip off my chin. Though we use the brush for the foundation, we're gonna want to rub that a little bit more with the beauty blender. I can't even. Okay. Shit. So this might not be my color. I look like I'm covered in peanut butter. Now I'm gonna teach you how to be what's it called? You're gonna be resourceful. You're gonna improvise. So if you don't have any paper towel because you put a little bit too much foundation, happens to the best of us, obviously, because I'm the best. You're gonna use some notebook paper. Rip it up a little bit, make a nice little fold, be all like, and then you're just gonna. And it's like your skin's coming. I can't see through this eyeball right now. Hello.
You're pressing.
And then it burns. To be resourceful, you're gonna flip it. And see how this side's used? You're gonna flip it and fold it so you can use the other sides too, because you don't want to fuck up the earth more than global warming already is. All right. I don't know how I'm gonna do the eyeshadow with this much foundation on it.
Oh shit. Okay.
And now that you're done with the one, oh my. Now it looks like I'm high. Now that you're done with the one eye, you're gonna do the same thing to the other one. Now, be prepared this time because it will burn at some point.
Don't smear it.
Okay, we're gonna try blotting and not smearing this time because apparently smearing hurts a little.
Smacking the soup.
So just dab on your eyelid. Girl, I don't know why I didn't think of that on my own. My colleague is smart as shit. Blot, don't rub. Okay, but it's also not working as well, so fuck it.
But it's like drawing it into your, so you have a nice base.
Anywho, ooh, look at that collarbone. Look, anyways, I got distracted. Okay. Since you used the foundation on the foundation brush and you're going to need to use it for the contour, in the future, what we're going to do is you're going to use the rest of this notebook paper, and you're going to wipe it off. Oh, it's still in my right eye. Also, multitask and make a little masterpiece. Hi. Oh, it's backwards. Shit. It's fine. What was next? The contour or was it the eyeshadow?
Contour.
That's supposed to go over your whole face, right?
No, not again.
Okay.
Insert clip from.
Okay, so we're gonna do some contour now with this here brush that we just wiped off and made a masterpiece with. Want to make sure to use all your resources. Oh, so you just. Okay, so the light one, this light one here, that. Ooh.
That's so much fallout.
The light one is supposed to go under your eyes, so you just.
This chin.
You do your nose.
Right here.
You said?
Yeah. This.
What is happening to the brush?
Because you're mixing powder.
This dark shit. You gonna go like this. You go. I just finished my contour. Wait, am I supposed to blend that shit?
Yes.
Oh shit. Okay, I gotta use this beauty blender. Anywho, so the next step after you contour is this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is the eyeshadow. Now we all know how this went last time, and we all know how it's about to go again. Okay, so you always want to start with the lighter colors. Ow! Why the fuck does that hurt? I want to make sure to be very, very gentle because, like, mama raised a bitch. Let's be real here. So, use the same brush for all of the colors because that's smart. So then you go like this. You just do vertical lines, okay? Vertical. I want them to be vertical. And then last but not least, because I forgot where my eyeliner went, we gonna use this line shit. Okay, so we gotta go. Oh yes, that is basically better than eyeliner.
Money moves.
So much better than eyeliner. Who raised me to be like this? Do you think Beyonce would be proud of me?
Always.
Alright, now that you've outlined your eyes with this beautiful ass eyeshadow because you forgot your eyeliner. Oh look, there's a little mirror. Hello. Oh, this looks fantastic. Oh, my eyes are popping though. They popping like popcorn. Damn. The mascara. I remembered what it's called this time, bitches. I didn't call it an eyelash thing. So you just kind of go down as I taught you last time. What?
It's all.
And then you go up. Okay, wait, I'm gonna try and do it without opening my mouth. Okay, I can do.
Kaylee says she loves this.
So now that this eye is obviously so much better because it has mascara, we gotta do this eye because it looks bare as fuck.
No, wait.
Okay, here comes the fun part. This is the experimental portion. So, apparently people fill in their eyelashes, right? Eyebrows. People fill in their eyebrows, right? So I don't have like those eyebrow filler thingies. So we're gonna try doing it. One of them with mascara and the other one with that like not actually eyeliner shit. Okay, that's what it's called eyeshadow. That's what it's called. So first and foremost, you're gonna. Oh yes, if you want to go for that bushy look, this is what you gonna do.
Holy shit.
Oh yeah, I actually might go around looking like this from now on. Okay, and then the other experiment is to use this shit. We're gonna fill in this bad boy. Oh, this is if you want a more sophisticated look. You know how those people have some dank ass eyebrows. This is what you're gonna want to do for it. Oh yes, that is some perfect shit right there. Whew! Where's that Mountain Dew? I need to finish with a Mountain Dew. And then, bonus, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create one last piece of art. Are you ready for this? So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna get a piece of paper, preferably blank. Try to find one that doesn't have lines because it kind of takes away from your artistic abilities. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to bring it up here, and then you're going to press your face into it and see what comes off. And there you have it. This has been Emily's updated makeup tutorial. Yes, I am in college, I swear to you. And like I said to my colleague over here, Bethany, at the beginning of this video, we are not going to start with a spoon and not end with it. So yes, there's foundation in it, but you want to know what this bitch is going to do?
It's gonna burn.
I'm going to hate myself. Oh my god, look at it, I have a little dimple. Isn't that cute? And now we're going to hope that I don't get an infection in my eye because of this foundation. Thank you and have a good evening. Wait, what if it's not evening? Have a good day / night / day. The other, cover up any hickeys you may have. I don't have any of those. Anywho. Wait, do I? I did. Oops. I'm gonna cut that out. Oh, okay. Next step. Hey, Abby, I'm really sorry if you're watching this. I got some foundation on the sweatshirt you gave me. It's the first time I've worn it. It's fine. Okay. This is my colleague, by the way, guys. I forgot to introduce her. Introduce yourself.
I am Bethany.
That is the worst intro. Outro, whatever the fuck. Say it in an accent.
I don't have one.
Make one up, you dumb slut. This fucking hoe bag. Oh god, it's wiping off onto my hand. Bye.